In a world of crummy nature shows comes a brand new and good show about the beauty of nature. Nature Discovery, a show about discovering the truth behind nature's wonderful creatures. And here's your host, Golden Funky Legs.
Today, on Nature Discovery, we're going to be taking a look at Alicia, also known as the Brow. This possum is very dangerous. You don't want to upset it. Here, we see the entrance to its dwelling in its natural habitat. Alright, I'm going in for the sake of nature.
Close the door, it's getting cold.
Careful not to startle the Brow. It's been known to attack and kill you.
What?
Oh, look, we have a sighting.
What the? Are you kidding me right now?
We're just trying to get inside of the Brow for the sake of nature.
I'm just trying to be, bro, you're kind of invading the bubble, okay? There's a bubble right here, and you've broken it. Just, what the? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's ready.
bro. Oh my god. It's gonna get out of my
That was a close one. We almost got attacked by the Brow. Here we are. We're following the Brow. She seems to be going back to her hole that she lives in, the natural habitat that we found her in. Be very quiet, you guys. We're following the Brow back to her natural habitat.
I can hear you.
Let's take a closer look.
Come on! This is not okay, okay?
Alright, we're back from following her, the Brow, to where she eats. Now we're back at her natural habitat. Now that I've seen her eat, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna try and make contact. The call that the natural Brow makes is corn dog, corn dog. I'm gonna go in there and try to make contact with the Brow. Wish me luck. Remember, be quiet and careful. The Brow has been known to attack you and try to kill you with parkour. Here I am. I'm in the Brow's natural habitat. There's the Brow, sitting at her computer. This is where she lives. Approach me. Oh, she spotted me! Alright. Oh my god, she's got a weapon in her hand. Alright, I'm gonna try and make contact. Corn dog! We've made contact with the Brow. Let's take a closer look. Corn dog! Oh god! She's trying to kill it! She's trying to kill it! Oh my god, I almost just got killed by a Brow. Did you see those parkours? Oh my god, she was trying to kill me with parkour. Alright, I think that's it for this time. So I'll see you all next week on Nature Discovery. Here we see. Alright, it's been a few hours since our last encounter with the Brow. I'm going to try and make another attempt at contacting the Brow and see if I can get a closer look.
What are you doing? Come on, bro.
Here's the Brow in a natural habitat. Wait, not anymore.
Oh my god! Come on. Are you serious right now? Bro.
She seems to be in some sort of denim material.
What? Is that guy freaking out? Huh?
We have made it into the base camp of the Brow. This is where she seems to live. There's the bro. Quickly, follow it. All right. Now that we've gotten back from following the bro to where she eats, we are now back at her natural freaking habitat. Now that I followed her there, I'm going to go in and try to make corn dog.
It's for the sake of nature!